Pretty much just the beginning of my workout. I'm gonna do 2 rounds, kneeling, single arm pull downs. And this is just to get blood to my lats, really help build that mind muscle connection before going into my heavier lifts. Just to get everything warmed up and firing right. I feel really good. My digestion, everything's better. I'm getting hungrier. It's always a good sign. Talked with Dom yesterday. Probably gonna finish this week off on this plan and then change things up, turn things up next week. What do you want to listen to?
It's your workout, I don't care.
I'm a 90s guy. All right, reps. 3 sets, then over barbell rows, 15, 11, 8, 16, 13, 10. All right, we're gonna do 25, that's not good. I 13 for this set, another 10 set after top set.
That's nothing.
Yeah, my back is feeling crazy pumped up.
That was 13.
That's 13. Oh, this next set's gonna be a bitch. This exercise, what I see a lot is when people go heavy, they tend to use their legs and catch the weight. You want your legs to stay pretty stationary. It's okay for like the last couple reps if you're gonna have to cheat the weight up. But I just advise if you're going really heavy, you wanna even be that much more precise with your execution of the exercise. So you should be able to pull, drive your elbows back without driving with your legs and catching the weight. You see this. Treat it just like you would with the chest supported press, like your chest torso stays completely still. Driving into that pad is just your elbows coming back. It's the same thing. That didn't help me catch my breath.
It didn't sound like it.
All right, we're going back to the lat pull downs. 16, 12, 10 build up set. Let's see. Lower lat row. We'll use this. Old school.
This piece of equipment is probably older than you.
Well,
I know it's older than you.
I mean, look at this. This is the pin, if that says anything. It holds it in place. Makeshift.
It's probably standard in the 70s.
Dude, this is actually one of the first machines I used when I started bodybuilding seriously. This was the old.
Not just the kind of machine, but the actual this is
machine.
The actual machine.
Yeah, from Rockingham Fitness, like one of the first machine rows that I was using regularly. And still, I mean, for its use and purposes, it gets the job done. But the stack nearly isn't heavy enough now to pull with both arms. But since we're doing single arm, it works perfect. Another pro tip, instead of thinking about pulling up here straight back, you see a lot of people do as well, incorrectly. Think about not only driving the elbow down, you notice me from the back, I'm actually tilted this way, so that little Lateral flexion helps isolate that lat even more when you're pulling down. So instead of just being straight up here, I'm aligning my elbow right here with the point and pulling. And that's getting every bit of my lat. Ooh, one of my favorites. And we're gonna use another old school piece of equipment. Thing with that, I know you're not able to go all the way back and get a full stretch with this as you would with a dumbbell pullover, for instance. But because of the cable, constant tension, and I still feel it all the way through my lats, even pulling past my chest. With the dumbbells, if you get right here above your chest, laying across the bench, you're gonna feel your chest take over. So in order to get a stretch, I'm gonna improvise and do rope pullovers as well with the cable up high. Seriously, give those two a try. Working different ranges of motion with constant tension. It's brutal. Ooh, machine preacher curls. The death machine here. It's the most brutal preacher curl machine I've ever used. But I love it. Preacher curls, 10 to 16. 10 to 16 reps.
Shirts on sale for $25.
Yeah. Oh yes. Still got some left over from the Charlotte Cup. Choose your name, address, Venmo, Cash App. Try to do alternating curls, dumbbells, standing barbell curls, or cable curls. We do barbell.
Barbell sounds good.
Barbell. Last move, need to build up my upper back. My center, middle back, lower back is already pretty developed, a little bit overdeveloped to be honest. So to bring more balance to my back, I need to really focus and prioritize some upper back movements like what we're about to do. My strength has never made like these kind of jumps in this short period of time. Like one week my shoulder presses, overhead shoulder presses went from 90 for 10 reps, and I hit 100 for 16 the following week. So definitely moving in the right direction. Don't have a show really picked out yet. Could be 6 months, could be 8 months.
Plenty of time.
We'll be ready when it comes. today. Like, subscribe. We've got a lot more coming for you guys. So until next time.